Okay, here's last year's SIG test. I want to get the y by itself, so I got rid of the x's, put them on the other side, and then I wanted to get rid of, I want the y by itself, so I got rid of the 9. I want to get the y by itself, so I divided by 5, and that's what you end up with. I want to check, see if the point's on the line, plug in the x, plug in the y, see if it's true. If it's true, it's on the line. Plugged in my x, plugged in my y, and yes, it was true. No, it wasn't true. Squared means times itself, so it's 7x minus 2 times 7x minus 2. So multiply them, find the areas of each little spot, combine the like terms, and there we go. Same thing over here. 15x, 3x times 4x is 12x. There's my negative 25. Combine the like terms, there it is. It's 2 by 3, so I made a 2 by 3 area. So multiply them. X times x squared is x cubed. That's a mistake people make. And combine like terms. Combine like terms. I have two ratios that are equal. Cross multiply, butterfly, whatever you want to call it. 8 times x, 8 times negative 27, or negative 9 is 72. 12 times x, 12 times 4. I subtracted 8x from each side. I subtracted 48 from each side. And divided by 4. Watch the negative. Yep. And negative 8 and positive 20. I added 9x to both sides. I subtracted 20 from both sides, and there we go. Finding the system, find where these two lines intersect. So I'm plugging this is equal to y. I plugged it in. I'm using substitution because it's the easiest one. Combine like terms. Plus 5. So subtract 5 from both sides, and then divide. Don't forget to plug it back in to find the other variable. This one, x was equal, so I substituted it in here. Don't forget to distribute the negative, so it's 5y minus 2y, which is 3y. And negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. That positive 10 is where most mistakes happen. Then I subtracted 10 from each side, divided, plugged my negative 20 back into here. Negative 20 minus 5 is negative 25. There were 640 tickets sold. They were student tickets and adult tickets, so I went student tickets and adult tickets added together. Number of tickets plus number of tickets would equal number of tickets. So now I'm going to go money is equal to money plus money. It was $5 for every student, and it's $7 for every adult. And I used elimination for this one. I multiplied the first equation by negative 5. That's how I got this guy. I added them together. Gone. That's why I did it. Good. Divide. And I got my adults. And I plug this back in to find the number of students. And there it is. Look, these guys canceled out nicely with elimination. And that was 3x. And those combine together. Yeah, that's how I got the negative 2 for my x. Plug it back into one of the equations. I added 16 to both sides. That get me to 20. Divide. I get y equals 5. I'm going to eliminate the y's. So if I multiply this top one by 2, that would give me a positive 10. Good. So negative, negative, and there we go. Combine them together. Negative x, gone. Plug it back in. Subtract from both sides. Divide. Done.